Good morning, this Mother's Day weekend. Good morning to you. How are you doing? It's morning, and every morning since I put these in, they are, sorry, I don't have the picture. I just have this. Outre. I'm raised in Canada, so Outre, I don't know, Outre, whatever, Outri, whatever, 950. I thought it was brown, but it has red in it. It's jumbo twist, like it's silky kind of. Now the thing is, my hair, as you've seen in other videos, when I put these in, I twist my hair to hide it inside the twist. But the thing is, because this is silky, my hair gets silky. Once my hair is braided for quite some time, it starts to get silky, especially because I put leave-in conditioner in it, so it's even more silky. Like, it's just sliding out easily because this is silky, this is silky. So that's something I need to consider whenever I am buying hair. I realize I need to consider that my hair does get silky. Even if I cornrow and I put certain, you know, about to sneeze, certain crochet braids, I have to think about the knot. And that's probably why the last time it was slipping, because my hair does get silky. It has a silky feel to it. It's nice, but I really have to consider that it's trial and error with these crochet braids. And I mean, I like the long. I like how long it is. I love how long it is. 18 inches. I love this. But yeah, it's just the silkiness. Every minute I get up, I have to look at my hair's showing. And I've mastered a way to hide it, but it just keeps popping out. Look at this side. Like, my hair is sticking out. So I have to consistently, even at my desk at work, I'm doing that. I'm fixing, like, look at, did you see that just now? See that sticking out? That's my hair right here. That's my hair. That's my hair. So I have to go and fix that. I really want to talk about just my hair, how it just comes out, and just thinking about the silkiness of the braid. This is, you know what? This, I like it, but you know, when I bought it, I thought it was in plaits. I thought it was in plaits. So when I took it out of the package to put it in, I was like, oh, it's twists? I bought it because it was cheap. I only bought 3 packs. But I wanted to put it in my hair. I wanted braids. And I think if it was braided, was plait up, then I would be able to hide my hair in it. I want to get the plaited braids, get the plaited hair, and I think my hair will hold when I crochet it through and pull it back down. I think it will hold better. And I also, next time, I want to get actual dreads, like dread. And I think my hair will hold in that. We'll see. Because of the grays, maybe I could get gray, black and gray. I mean, it's wearing, people are wearing that now. They're rocking their hair gray, highlights and whatnot. They're getting, you know, it's the style. Even young people are doing it. So why not wear it for a little bit? Because I have natural little bit of grays here. Guys, I went through a lot of stress in the last 7 years. That's why they came out. Boom! I'm telling you, 35 sprouting all over the place. I'm like, the heck? I was under a lot of stress. And 7 years ago, I was under a lot of stress. So, yeah, I went through a long time not covering it up. I'm like, I don't know what to do with it, but I don't like it. Other people are like, oh, it's wisdom and whatnot. I'm like, it was stress that caused this. Serious stress. But it's all over my hair. I did color my hair last year for my birthday, but I haven't kept up with it. And I think maybe it would be a good idea since I'm going into the industry. Look at all that. My hair is just sticking out. I'm going to take out this hair tonight and I'm going to put in the other one, the one that's gold or something like that. Because I can't handle it just always. It's slowly coming out, like, because it's silky, it just slides right out. I hope this is not delayed. it saves me a lot of time to, you know, style my hair and all that, because I'll wake up and I'm like, okay, what am I going to do with my hair? What am I going to do with my hair? At least it's like this. I don't have to do anything. You know, crochet braid, you don't have to do nothing. Yes, I like this. I like, oops. I like the length. Really like the length of my hair. Maybe I should be seeing that. I'll figure it out. Anyways, going out today for Mother's Day. Maybe I'll bring y'all along.